I've had multiple people accuse me of not taking the valve core out of this tire, and that's just not true. A few comments said to stand on the tire, and you can see standing on the tire does absolutely nothing. Random Guy Joe here said he zoomed in and didn't believe that I removed the core. Well, Joe, what you see is the inside of a brand new valve stem that's never sat with the cap off. If you look at the OZ wheel, it looks the same, and you can see the valve core tool on the table right here and here. You can't see it behind the Land Rover wheel because it's being blocked. The only reason the valve stem from the VW wheel looks so dark is because it's been on project cars for over 10 years and I've never had a cap on. And then you have Jack Pugh here that said, "You can clearly see the valve stem still in. Anyone dumbass knows you gotta let the air out. What are you doing lying on these folks? Let the air out. Let's see if you let the air out of this one. You give YouTube a bad name." No, Jack, you give YouTube a bad name. I've had multiple sets of this exact tire over the years, so I know it pretty well. I have them on my Land Rover, I've gone through 2 full sets on my work van, and I have a pair I'm installing on my custom beach trailer. Subscribe to eventually see that video. The tire is a Wild Country XTX in LT 245/75/16. It's a low range E, which means it's a 10-ply light truck tire. It's got a stiff sidewall. I removed the valve core from the tire, I stood on it, I jumped on it, and you could see the sidewall didn't budge at all. Next, I figured I'd try with something heavier than my 185-pound self, and yes, I have lost some weight, so thank you for noticing.